Blessings, guys. Blessings. Welcome back to DS from the Lifestyle Blog, guys. Welcome back to another adventure, guys. So yes, today we are out and about again. We're out in the bush again. Or the wilderness. And today, we're gonna cook up another storm again out here. As you guys can see, I have my backpack on my back. So we're just heading out now, guys. So stick and stay, guys, and see what we're gonna do. All right. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to DS from the Lifestyle Blog. As you guys can see, we're out here again one more time, you know, in nature, in the wild here. So today, guys, the plan is to actually um, see what we can find to cook out here today, guys. So yeah, as you guys can see, we're going through this little trail here. And it's rugged, lots of fire sticks all over the place. So yeah, gonna see if we can come back and get a few, for the fire. As you guys can see, the sun is going down. It's probably gonna be a night cooking, but nonetheless, it's all about the adventure. So you guys can see going through the bush here, guys. Trying to reach to the campsite. you know so yeah, this is what we're doing, guys. So stick and stay with us, until we reach down to the campsite here. Then I will actually show you guys. All right, stick and stay, guys. Yes, guys, welcome back. So I'm still trod through the bush here, guys. Still striding through the bush same way, picking up some fire stick on the way there also too, at the same time. So I just want to show you guys what we're going through here to go cook up a storm. So yeah. All right, guys. So me a few minutes until I reach to the campsite there. I know Neo is out there already, so they stick and stay, guys. All right. So yes, so we have the fire sticks them here, guys, ready to go. So I'm gonna get this fire going because I'm actually racing against time here, guys. I get some little chips, with chips here. I get a little piece of plastic here, if I wanted to find a little piece of plastic here that we're gonna be using to actually catch the fire, guys. So yeah, so hopefully this work. I'm hoping and I'm praying that it would work, and it should work. Should work, guys, should work. So yeah, it's gonna give it a little sec there for all that goody fat of that plastic to actually melt, and catch the fire. All right, guys. So yeah, this is how we catch the fire, guys. So the stick and stay, guys. Check in back, guys. Check in back. So we have some pork chops here where we're gonna get on the grill here, guys. We're gonna get them on open fire here. Just like that, guys. Put them right on the open fire. Yeah, man, you can hear that sizzling sound. Yeah, man, just like that, guys. Yeah, yeah, man, some pork chops. Basically what we're gonna be grilling out here. No fish today, guys, no fish today. Not gonna do any fish today at all. Just pork chops on the open fire here. So like that. One more piece, two more piece here. See if I can fix these ones here. So yeah. Yeah, man. So all right, guys, just stick and stay, guys, and I will show you guys when I'm turning them. Well marinated. And well marinated, guys. So yeah, just gonna put them over the smoke and everything this get up into them, guys, you know. So this is what we're doing out here in the wild, guys. It's what we're doing out here, you know. So stick and stay, guys, and we catch you back in a bit. All right. Yes, guys, check in back, guys, check in back, check in back. As you guys can see how the pork chops are coming along, you know. They're coming along pretty good, guys. As you guys can see there. Yeah. So getting that smoke, yeah, that's the taste that I wanted, right? Open fire, smoky taste. Yeah. So that's exactly what's going on right here, guys. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna actually get the rest of the stuff prepared what we're gonna eat with this pork chops here. So you know, just stick and stay with me, guys, and then I will show you guys what I'm gonna be doing. All right, stick and stay, guys, stick and stay. Blessings, guys, blessings, blessings, blessings. So yeah, as you guys can see how everything is coming along pretty good, right? So what I'm gonna do right now, guys, I'm gonna be roasting. Actually, I gotta roast some dumpling. Yeah, roast some dumpling, guys. Yeah, that's exactly what I'm gonna be doing, guys. Roasting some dumpling to eat with the actually jerk pork right there. I try to stretch it out as much as I can, you know, that they can soak, right, but not to burn. So what we're gonna do is put it on the fire right there, just like that, guys. You know, yeah, just like that in there. You know, I'm gonna grab a few more, you know, and come back and show you guys. Yeah, yeah, that's exactly what we're gonna be eating, guys. So yeah, so so you're gonna get all the charcoal gonna be sticking to it, right? And after, then we kind of scrape off the charcoal off it when we know that it's ready, you know. So it's like a pita bread or like a roast dumpling or bread or whatever you guys want to call it. But in Jamaica, we call it roast dumpling, you know. Yeah, these stuff that we're doing right here, this is what I used to do as a kid back in Jamaica. You know, when my mom is kneading the flour to make the dumpling, you know, so we used to pinch off a little piece of it and roll it into a ball and put it into the fire, right? So this is exactly what we're doing right now, guys. So yeah, exactly what we're doing um here today, guys. We're not gonna burn them, you know. You guys can see what we're doing here. We're not gonna burn them or anything. If we could burn on it, we're gonna scrape it off with a knife afterwards, you know. Well, yeah, that is exactly what we're gonna be doing here. You guys can see I just flip this one over, you know, and this is simple all-purpose flour that we use, you know. Put just a little bit of baking powder in there because, you know, I don't want it too hard, you know, when we're eating it. You guys can see it's still soft and nice still. So yeah, so we're gonna keep flipping these, guys, because we don't, as we said, we don't want them to burn, right? Just want the heat to soak through them. So stick and stay, guys, and I will show you guys the end result when we finish putting the rest of the flour in underneath the coal there and get them roasting. All right, stick and stay, guys. Remember, if you tell a friend that the DS from the lifestyle vlog is doing great over here. Big up all of my subscribers them, big up all of my channel member them. Enough respect to, you know, for sticking and staying with the DS from the lifestyle vlog. One love and stick and stay, guys. All right. Yes, guys, check in back, check in, guys, check in. All right. So I got try a little piece of the pork chops here, you know. Try a little piece here and let you guys tell you guys what it tastes like, you know. So as you guys can see, well done. Yeah. Let's try roast dumpling. Mmm, crunchy. Roast dumpling, guys. Whoa, the pepper, guys. Pepper hot. Yeah, man, that jerk spice. Yeah. So, mmm. So this is what we out here doing today, guys. Well smoky. Tastes good. You know? Yeah, man. Tastes good, guys. Tastes good. Nah, lie. That smoky taste. Yes. That is it. That is it, you know? The roast dumpling again, guys. Yeah. Roast dumpling and pork chops and open fire. You know, out here camping. Mm-hmm. Can't get better than this. Yeah, man. Very good, very good. So, I'm going to make Neo doing taste test on it. First, Neo go have roast dumpling, guys. First, Neo go have roast dumpling. So, I go hear where him say about it, how it tastes. You know, all right, guys. So, just remember, we tell a friend about the DS from the lifestyle vlog that we're doing over here. And remember, guys, watch this video, go to the end, share it out, like it, leave your comment, hit that subscription button if you haven't as yet. You know, tell a friend about the DS from the lifestyle vlog, guys. Big up on yourself, guys. Just stay tuned. Now make Nia give this a try and give you guys his honest opinion on it, you know. All right, guys. You can see. Yep. So Neo, all right, give it a try and let the people them eat here, guys. Roast dumpling and pork chops, guys. How it tastes?
The dumplings, crunchy.
Crunchy, yeah?
This is spicy.
It's spicy, the pork is spicy, eh? Yes. You know, that's the jerk spice on it, So, yeah. First time having roast dumpling. So, would you eat it again?
Yeah.
Yeah? All right, all right. Yeah, man. So, that is it, guys. That is it, you know. So, yeah, I go finish up, you know, in taste test and that. And then we're going to sit down and have a feast afterwards, guys. You know, just to give you guys a little taste test, you know, what's going on there. Out here, guys, on the water too. Sun is going down, it's getting dark, you know, and we're out here. This is the pork chops them here, guys. That is the pork chops them here, guys. So yeah. So I make them go and soak through now, guys. Then catch the color that they're supposed to have. So just let them soak all the way through now, guys. And that is it. Then we're gonna take it off and eat it with the rest of the roast dumpling. Yeah, and then we're gonna pack up and head home. I know it's gonna be dark when we leave, but that's the way how camping is, you know. So thank you guys again for watching. You know, thank you guys again for watching. We catch you guys in another adventure again. All right, guys. Peace out. Until next time again. All right. Bye bye, guys.